If you want to manage your own shipments, UTB Logistics offers a 24/7 real-time platform where you can get instant quotes, schedule shipments, track your freight, download documents, check your payment status and account balance, view statistics on your shipping activity and carrier performance. This platform is for LTL and Courier services only. Reminder: special handling is required for cross-border shipments, as well as for hazmat, bonded loads, or liquor shipments. In those cases, please contact our team directly. Accessing the platform, open the login URL in any web browser. Enter your email and password. Click Sign In. Getting a quote. Step 1. Go to the quote section. Enter the origin and destination zip codes. Select your pickup date. Choose the type of packaging from the drop-down menu such as pallet, crate, box, among others, and write the quantity you'll move. Enter the weight in pounds. Keep in mind this is the unit weight, so select each. Fill in the dimensions in inches, length, width, and height. Click the plus icon to add more line items if your shipment includes multiple types of cargo. Step 3. Add accessorial services. If you need special services like a liftgate, airport delivery, or residential delivery, go to the accessorials section. Before selecting any accessorials, check if the pickup and delivery addresses are residential or industrial. Based on that, choose the appropriate services from the drop-down menu. You'll find all available options listed there. Step 4. Save your quote and start booking your shipment. Click Get Rate. A grid will appear with quotes from available carriers showing the carrier's name, important notes, and rate validity. Estimated transit time, total rate, sorted from lowest to highest. To save the quote, click the document icon on the right. Select Download Quote to get a PDF version, or email documents to receive a copy on your email. Click Book Shipment to start scheduling your shipment. Reminder: once you finalize creating a new order, remember that our team is working behind the scenes to ensure everything is correctly completed. Booking a shipment. Shipment details. Step 1. Start with the shipper section. Enter the following information: company name, address, zip code, phone number, contact name, email address. Pickup reference. This helps identify the freight at the warehouse so it's handed to the correct driver. Step 2. Fill out the consignee section. Include company name, address, zip code, phone number, contact name, email address, delivery reference. This helps the receiving warehouse confirm that the freight is meant to be delivered to this location. Tip: always enter a reference number to avoid delays or additional charges. Tip number 2. If you frequently ship from or deliver to the same locations, use the Create button to save those addresses as lookups or autofill entries. We'll go deeper into lookups in a moment. Step 3. Billing information. You'll see the Bill To section at the top. Enter your company's internal reference number to help identify the shipment when processing payment. Also, include the billing email address. Step 4. Freight information. Enter your commodity description. If you forgot to include any accessorial services earlier, you can still add them here. Step 5. Pickup and delivery dates. Pickup on. Indicate when you need the freight picked up. For same-day service, make sure to schedule the pickup before noon, local time in the pickup state. Keep in mind that LTL pickups usually occur after 12 p.m. and within a 3-hour window. Delivery by. This will be auto-calculated based on the carrier's transit time. Enter the time window when the warehouse or delivery site will be open to receive the shipment. Reminder: To schedule a specific delivery appointment, go to the Delivery By section and enter the same exact time in both the From and To fields. Then, add a special delivery appointment if needed in the Accessorials section. Keep in mind, adding an accessorial at the time of booking will change your rate. Also, remember, appointments can only be scheduled for deliveries, not pickups. Step 6. Special instructions. If you have special delivery requirements, include them here. For example, restricted delivery times, lunch breaks, handling requirement, limited access points. Important: do not delete the first line in this field. It contains essential contact information required for the bill of lading. Step 7. Dispatching a shipment. Once everything is complete, click Create Shipment. Review all the information carefully. When you're ready, click Ready to Dispatch. This action will generate your final shipping documents, bill of lading, and shipping labels for LTL shipments. This will also send the pickup request to the carrier and allow you to download and send the documents to the pickup location. Reminder: need to edit or add any information? Make your changes in the shipment form. Click Update Shipment. This will generate new documents, so make sure to download and send the updated versions to the pickup location. If you need to make additional changes and you've already left the site, contact your UTB Logistics operations team or your sales representative to request changes. Tracking your shipment. Tracking grid. View all current and past shipments. Shipment status. Click on the purple location icon to see real-time updates on your freight. Picked up, in transit, delivered, among others. Documents. Here you'll find bill of lading, BOL, shipping labels, quote pre-shipping. Once the shipment has been delivered, you can also view the proof of delivery and the shipment invoice here. Contact button. Click the envelope icon to email your UTB Logistics representative. Invoices. View all paid and unpaid invoices if enabled. Click on the total amount to see breakdowns and download PDF copies. Search by BOL number to check the invoice status. Click on the green envelope icon to contact billing support. Reports, access metrics, and analytics divided by. On-time deliveries. Deliveries made on time. Shipment mode breakdown. LTL, parcel, Canada, bonded, guaranteed, among others. Shipments by carrier. Which carriers you use the most. Claims and exceptions. Credit info, account balance and payments. Filter by dates or carriers to generate custom reports. Lookups. Simplify your booking process with saved information. Shipping locations. Add or edit frequently used addresses. Shipping items. Save recurring item details like size, weight, among others. Now you know everything you need to manage your shipments on your own.